Hello and welcome to Sam Good Design. Today we show you Bohemian bedroom ideas. Mastering the vibe. Ultimate Bohemian bedroom ideas for an eclectic sanctuary. Tired of stark white walls and cookie clutter furniture? You crave a bedroom that feels like you own wild adventure, not some showroom setup. Bohemian style, or boho for short, captures that free spirit. It mixes both patterns, cozy layers, and touches from around the world to build a space that's all about comfort and personality. This look pushes back against clean, minimalist trends. It invites you to blend cultures and eras without rules. Picture you sinking into a bed piled with soft throws after a long day. In this video, you find practical Bohemian bedroom ideas to turn your room into a relaxing retreat. We'll cover everything from fabrics to plants, with tips you can use right away. Core elements of true Bohemian bedroom. Boho bedrooms thrive on layers and variety. They feel lived in, not staged. Start with basics that set the tone for warmth and fun. Layered textiles and textures. Fabrics build depth in a Bohemian bedroom. Mix them to create a snug nest. Think soft linens against rough jutes. Layer a vintage kilt over crisp sheets for that traveled look. Add a knit row at the bed's foot. These choices add warmth without clutter. Hunt for global finds like Moroccan blankets online or at flea markets. A simple swap like this grounds you space in boho roots. It turns a plain room into something soulful fast. The essential role of natural materials. Nature ties boho design the earth. Choose items from wood, vines, and fibers. They bring calm and last for years. Rattan chairs or bamboo shelves fit right in. They echo outdoor vibes indoors. Reclaimed wood tables add rustic charm. Try a woven basket for bedside storage. It keeps things tidy yet artistic. These pieces ground the eclectic mix. Boho isn't about new buys only. Old barn wood or driftwood accents work too. They connect you to something real and timeless. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video about Bohemian bedrooms, Please share with your friends and subscribe. You've been watching the Same Good Design Interior Design channel.